Hi everyone, and welcome back to BeingGTV. So today I'm going to try to film and be successful in filming a clothing haul, a clothing try-on haul. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, so we're back. So let's get started. So first, we have this white tank top, just a basic tank that I got from Walmart, and I paired it with these black leggings that I got from Fashion Nova, and I like the way they feel. Oh, this tank top is a small. This is a size medium, and so I paired those together, and I'm gonna try to insert pictures either here or here. And then I have this sweater that I got from, and I really like this sweater. I got this from Old Navy. I really like it because it's thick and warm. It has two pockets on the side, and I never shop at Old Navy without a coupon, so I know it was either 30%, 20% or 30% off. But it was, I believe it was $49.99. And everything that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to put either a link or just the name of the item and where I purchased it from in the description box below. This little athletic wear little hoodie, well, jacket, I got this from Walmart. And when I leave the gym in the mornings, I typically stop in at Walmart because it's no one in there, so I just have access to the whole store by myself, so I love it. So I like to take advantage of those mornings. So I went in there to get grapes or something, and I just stumbled upon this jacket, and I love it to wear to the gym, and it's so comfortable, and I got a lot of compliments on it too. The first week or so that I wore it, a lot of compliments. Next I think I have this shirt, this little shirt here, and I got this from Marshall's. I like it. It's nice. Just something to wear, pair with some jeans or some jeggings. And this top I got from Marshall's as well. Just another little long sleeve top to wear in the fall or the winter, with some jeggings or jeans or sweatpants even. Now these two right here, it's like a bluish purple, and then I have a gray one. I got these from Kohl's, and they were on the clearance section. Not sure if that's coming up because of the light. Not sure how that's coming out, but ooh. And they are, both of these are smalls, but they're big, they're oversized, and I love it. I love it. Just to throw on around the house, or run to the market, or run to the store real quick. Yeah, but they were on clearance, I believe, for $5.99. Yeah, so I had to grab these. They are very comfortable. And this sweater, not sure if that's showing up. This sweater right here, I got this from Fashion Nova, and it's an off the shoulder sweater. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. I just wear, I think the first time I wore this, I had this necklace on with these earrings. So it's really cute. I love little off the shoulder things. Really cute, and really comfortable. I thought when I first got it, I thought it was going to be itchy because some sweater materials are very itchy, but this one is not. It's very comfortable. And these are just jeggings, leggings that I got from Walmart, that I wear around the house, running out to the market, anything like that. And this little mustard color top I got from Fashion Nova. This is a small, and I got it because of the back. The back is really cute. So, and it's comfortable, sweater material, very comfortable, very comfortable. And I paired it with these black distressed jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. Ooh, wait a minute. And so I paired that shirt with these jeans, distressed denim, that I got from Fashion Nova. These are a 9, and they fit very well. I like them very much. This is very cute, like this top, and these jeans are very cute for like a quick date night. Going to grab something to eat, maybe a glass of wine. So that's it for the clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, everything that I purchased, I will leave a link in the description box below, or at least where I purchased them. If I can't find a link, I'll put where I purchased them and the size and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed.